Solar energy. Solar energy. Solar energy. It's really cool. It's got the fuels to power the earth.
Da 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 da.
That's right. I mean, solar energy powers all things. It's got no pollution, can't you see? But it costs a lot, maybe even 4K, just for a panel to collect the sun's rays. Without the sun, there would be no living. Stuff wouldn't work without the light the sun's giving. It's truly renewable, works great here. 2 minutes of sun would power the Earth's needs for a year.
And whoa, I'm not talking crazy. On a really hot day that's super hazy, you can get 200 watts in 24 hours. Enough to power light bulbs, heaters, and showers.
The sun is 93 million miles away, and we're getting more solar energy every day. The sun is the source of all energy, fossil fuels, hydroelectric power. And can't you see? Can't you see? The sun